Welcome back, everyone. Imagine you have a delicious pizza. If you cut it into equal slices and take some, you are dealing with fractions. A fraction is a way of representing parts of a whole. So let's begin solving two different sums from Pearson Maths textbook for grade 6. So the problem is, on Tuesday night, 312 students attended the square dance. This is exactly one third of my school. Part A. How many students belong to my school? Part B. How many students did not attend the dance? Part C. If each square consists of 8 students, how many squares could be formed for dancing? So let's begin solving. Part A. How many students belong to my school? So on Tuesday night, 312 students attended the square dance. This is exactly one third of my school. So let the students who belong to my school be X. So we see that 1 by 3 of X is equal to 312, where X is equal to students, total students. In school. So this follows x by 3 is equal to 312. So this follows x is equal to 3 into 312, which is 936 students. Now part B. How many students did not attend the dance? So we know that 312 students attended the square dance. The total number of students 936. So the answer for part B, how many students did not attend the dance? So 936 minus 3112, which is 624 students did not attend dance. Now part C. If each square consists of 8 students, how many squares could be formed for dancing? Now we know that 312 students attended the square dance and 8 students make one square. So the number of squares for dancing 312 divided by 8, which is 39 squares. Now let's solve the second problem. Just give me a moment. So problem 2. The tennis team called Seekers. Let me write the sum. The tennis team called Seekers won 23 out of their 30 matches. If 2/3 of the wins were won by, if 2/3 of the wins were won by more than 10 games, what fraction of all matches, what fraction of all matches were won by more than 10 games. Were won by more than 10 games. So let's read the question again. The tennis team called Seekers won 23 out of their 30 matches. If 2/3 of the wins were won by more than 10 games, what fraction of all matches were won by more than 10 games? So, fraction of matches which were won is equal to fraction of matches which were won is equal to just a minute, this is 21. Fraction of matches which were won is equal to 21 by 30. Upon simplification, this is, and dividing by 3, both numerator and denominator, this comes up to 7 by 10. Now, fraction of matches won by more than 10 games. Fraction of matches won by more than 10 games is equal to, we know that 2/3 of the wins were won by more than 10 games. So 2 by 3 of 7 by 10, which is 2 by 3 multiplied by 7 by 10. Upon simplification, this is 7 by 15. So therefore, what fraction of all matches were won by more than 10 games? So 7 by 15 of all matches were won by more than 10 games. So today we learned that fractions represents parts of a whole. Fractions are all around us and we will keep exploring them more. So make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting maths lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!